Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's Google Chrome and you should back up your bookmarks now. It's really important to have a backup of your bookmarks. If you use your Google Chrome on your laptop or your desktop a lot, you'll find over time you have lots and lots of links to lots of different websites. So it's really important that you don't lose these. You can see here on my Google Chrome, I've got lots of website links on my bookmarks. And this is it without the bookmark links. Pretty annoying. Believe it or not, this is quite a common issue if you do any updates to your Chrome or you've got any updates to Windows. And I've got another video about the Chrome bookmarks disappearing, and here's some comments I've had from people where the bookmarks have just disappeared and they won't come back. So it's really important to back up your bookmarks. So let's get on and do that now. And it's a very simple process. Go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, scroll down and select Bookmarks, then select Bookmark Manager. Again, select these three dots in the right hand corner, then select Export Bookmarks. It will automatically put a file name in for you with the current date. I'm just going to save it to the desktop, then click on save, and that is your bookmarks saved. That is how simple the process is. So it's really important to just do that regularly. And now what you can do, if your bookmarks do disappear for some reason, you can get them back. So go into your Google Chrome, select the three dots in the top right hand corner, select Bookmarks, then select Import Bookmarks and Settings. Then select Bookmarks HTML file, and you want to have the favorites bookmarks ticked. Then select Choose File. Go to your bookmarks file, which is on my desktop, select that and then select Open, and then instantaneously all the bookmark website links are automatically put back on my bookmarks bar. So they're all back. Absolutely fantastic. And that definitely deserves a lovely cup of tea. And this is Clipper organic non-plastic tea bags with semi-skimmed organic milk and nice and strong. If you're going to be working on any of my how-to videos, make sure you have a lovely cup of tea. In the top right, there's a video on how to sort your bookmarks alphabetically in Google Chrome. In the top left, how to easily zoom in and out in Google Chrome. And in the bottom left, how to restore all tabs in Google Chrome even after you've restarted the computer. That's a really handy tip. I hope that was useful.